Hi friends, welcome back to the SK solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in CREO software. Friends, I am requesting you to all please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select plane, sketch, select center rectangle, give the dimension. The base dimension is 200 by 60, height is 20 mm. 200, 60, okay, extrude 20 mm. Next there is circular part, outer diameter 60, inner diameter 30, height from the base is 50 mm, thickness is 15 mm and 5 mm offset from the outside. Select surface, take on plane, okay, select plane, sketch, select circle, give the dimensions 60, 30, from the base height is 50 plus 20, 70. Finish sketch, extrude 15 mm. Next select this surface, sketch. There is one plate to connect the both parts. Select line, select dimension, give the dimension from here to here 40 mm, this side also 40. Select tangent, give the tangent constraint. Select reference, select this circle, close, select circle, select delete segment, delete top portion. Finish sketch, select extrude, reverse the direction, thickness we want 10 mm. Okay. Select both the extruders, select mirror, select mid plane, apply. Next fillets R15, select round fillet, give the dimension 15 mm. Okay. Next holes, both side diameter 20 mm holes, dimension from the side 25 mm and 30 mm. Select hole, simple hole, diameter is 20 mm. Select the surface, give the dimensions 25, mm. Depth we want through all. Okay. Select hole feature, mirror, here select the mid plane, apply. That's it friends, you can check. Anything is missing, let me know in the comment please. Friends, here I will show you how to create the ISO view in CREO software. So select this view manager. So go to the orients. So here select, click new, enter ISO, enter. So click this edit definition. So select the planes front and top planes. Here go to dynamic orients. So here no need to select manually, just click reset, apply. So this is the standard orientation. Close. Or we can enter the values manually. So however you want, you can change the. So that's it friend, today's session. So finally save the part. So that's it friend, today's session. Thanks for watching this video, and also subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos.